Desert Safari.
Where are we going?
Desert Safari.
Happy birthday, birthday girl. How old are you?
13.
How old?
13.
Anong message mo sa sarili mo?
Stay beautiful. Stay beautiful.
Where are we going?
Really stay beautiful.
Desert Safari.
Yan. Where are we going? Wala.
We're going to Dubai. Desert Safari.
This is not a picture. This is a video.
That was pretty epic. Like.
Where are we going?
Hi.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Di siguro yan.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Desert Safari.
Good.
Stay beautiful.
We are now leaving our house. Bye house. Bye. Bye flat pala, bye flat. Are you excited?
The birthday girl.
English.
Cute ribbon.
Yay!
Matching?
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited? You're the birthday girl.
Yes.
Are you excited? Stop using your cell phone. Are you excited? Hey, are you excited?
Of course.
Oh my
This is the
God.
first time.
Are you excited?
Huwag ka na mag-react.
Oh my God.
Alam ko mag-react ka.
I am also excited. Hindi ako kasali. Gusto ko kailangan sasali ako. Silent tayo. Hi.
How are you?
Mami, hi. Hi. We're going to safari. Oh my God. Anika.
Mami, gusto ko lang shades.
Uy, kailangan magpaganda kayo. I-upload ko to sa YouTube.
Grabe naman. Without
Meron siya YouTube na channel.
ano.
Doon niya pinupost mga videos.
We're going to safari. Hey, stop!
Going on a trip on a favorite.
Ang pangit mo. Alam ito mo ba?
Don't do
Our
that.
brother and sisters. Come on.
Kapatid niya. Niya.
Oh, that just happened.
Grabe siya, oh.
Tan-tan-tan. We're going to the light. Hindi ka na.
Let's go.
Nadala pera ko.
Oh my God. We're now leaving the building.
Kailangan ba ng ID doon? Hindi.
ID? Bakit kailangan ng ID?
No ID, no answer.
Hi, Spark. Oh my God, doon ako sa... Hey. Ayun nga. My God. It's too sad, guys. We're not gonna ride Sparky. Oh my God, G-Wayne! Where's G-Wayne? Where's G-Wayne? G-Wayne! G-Wayne! Say hi! Say hi! It's Ate Audrey's birthday!
Where are you going?
G-Wayne! Say happy birthday!
Say happy birthday to
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Oni. It's her birthday today, you know?
G-Wayne, say happy birthday! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Say hi to mommy! Hi!
Hi, Ate
Come.
Oni. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Oh, where's your gift? Camera? This is a camera. I'll come here.
Happy birthday.
My hair is gonna be rolling because of that.
We're going to safari, G-Wayne.
You know what I'm
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Kiss. Kiss ako. Kiss. Kiss. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Here, say bye-bye. 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 Say happy birthday. Bye, ate. Bye. We're now entering. Actually, we're not yet entering. We're just walking. We're going to Mega Mall. Hey, father. Coop is okay. Come on. Bye. May pinaproblema sila. May pinaproblema sila. Okay, that is there. Hey, Eh, oh my God, na-excite ako. Oh my God. Excited din siya. Say hi to your family.
Hello!
Eh, tatag ko sa Ate Trix. Anong gusto mo sasabihin?
Hi, Mommy!
Pupunta, inggitin mo. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Joke lang po, Ate Trix.
Sabi nga ni Jason.
Be! Marion! Sorry for that intrusion. I'm sorry for that. We didn't mean to that happen. What am I saying? Cross. Okay, she's really happy. My aunt's here. She's really happy. She's going to safari for the first time. Ito po ang proof. Lalo na po itong babaeng to. Tahimik na tahimik. Dahil hindi niya po ma-imagine na pupunta na siyang safari. Dapat hindi siya kasama. Yung moment na hindi dapat siya kasama.
Ikaw, tinitira mo na naman ako ah.
Joke lang. Hindi nga to picture. Papunta pa lang po kami ngayon sa Mega Mall. Kasi dun po kami susunduin. Ng aming service, we're gonna ride Montero. Yun ang sabi ni Mother. Mother, say hi! Hi! Montero yun, Mami, oh. Bawal mag-lie sa viewers. Yan, tayo. Ganun daw pong sasakyan. Be, yellow car, be! Be, yellow car. Mauna ka. Hindi ka ma-video eh. Nag-enjoy ang isa dyan. Yes! Day off po nila. This is the first time na nangyari to.
Oo, di ba?
Palabas na po kami ng aming area. Malayo po ang Mega Mall.
I-adjust mo nga to.
Ang alin ba? Ang alin? Ito oh, tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo lang yan. Yan. Tapos parang belt lang yan siya. Ngayon po, tahimik pa lang po yan sila ngayon. Mamaya, tsaka yan sila mag-ingay. Sigawan yan sila mamaya. Hindi yan malulubat. Dala ko charger.
Ay na, baka inumin mo pa yung rani ko.
Excuse me? Oh my God.
Hindi ka naligo.
Okay, mamaya naman po, pag nasa Mega Mall na kami, be back. Okay, stop.